Hey, what's going on guys? This is Cesar, thanks for being here. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make a video without showing your face. And basically what am I gonna do is we're going to make a video, and in the description we're going to put some links that we can utilize to promote some products from Clickbank. So right now guys, first I'm going to go to pexels.com and we're going to search, for example, videos in nature. As you can see, we have all these videos that we can use, and I'm going to choose this one. Let me see. We have here 12 seconds. I'm going to download this, and also I'm going to utilize this approximately 14 seconds. I'm going to download it. Okay, and then I'm going to go to Pixabay, and we can find here some music that we can download. For example, we are going to put meditation, and we have here, let me see, background music, those memory flashback. We have here cloud meditation, angel nature, music for relaxation, sleep and meditation. We're going to utilize this, we're going to download it. Okay, cool. And right now guys, I'm going to use iMovie, so for that, this, and I'm going to find the file. Let me see, desktop, the file, I want to go to download. This one. So I'm going to go right now to iMovie, and in the desktop, production, production and pixels. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to import this. I'm going to use okay, cool. And also I'm going to use audio file, and basically what am I gonna do right now guys is I'm going to edit the video, and for that I'm going to put the video. I'm going to drag and drop the audio also, and this one I can paste it here. And then I'm going to paste the other video. a transition, for example this one. Click here in media, and I'm just going to copy and paste. Like this. And we have right now our video, as you can see. I'm going to go to start. Let me see. I don't know guys if you can hear, but this is very relaxing. And for example guys, in your video you can put more about these videos, and you can make also other transitions. I'm using the iMovie editor for this, and you can see it's very simple. So I'm going to go to File, Insert. I'm going to click here on File, and this is relaxation music. I'm going to click here on Next. Music for relaxation. I'm going to click here and Save. So I'm going right now to pause the video guys. So when it finishes, I'm going to keep explaining the following steps. Okay guys, we have right now our video, and we're going to go to channel dashboard, and we're going to upload the video. I'm going to click here, drag and drop here, and we're going to put the YouTube relaxation music, and you can see all these keywords that we can use. For example, stress relief music. We are going to delete this. Music for relaxation. Stress relief music. Meditation music. Steady calm music. Steady music. Calming music. Okay, good. And right now we're going to go to ClickBank, and we can promote something like spirituality, new age, or alternative beliefs. We can promote this, but I'm using GetResponse to collect leads, so I can use this astrology product with this landing page, so I can paste it here and put these keywords down here, and also the tags, can paste the keywords there. Calming music, meditation music, healing music, the language I'm going to put English, recording date, today, standard YouTube license, and this is in the music category. Okay, and basically that's it, guys. As you can see, it's very simple to download the music, and then you need to download a video, or you can download an image, and you can use a video editor. I'm using iMovie. I think that editor is great for this. And if you have any question below, you can put in the comments below, guys, and I will be glad to respond to questions to help you in your journey. So talk to you soon, guys. Bye.